you want to start the engine, drive it a little bit?
Yeah,
Okay.
I think so. Okay. So if you want to start, let's just start with the back though,
Okay.
since
So,
we're right here right now.
This one is, all this does is allow us to fill from the river.
All right, so this is your input.
Yeah, so that we just take this thing off, just like that one over there. We hook, we have our siphon line right here. We hook that to this guy here.
So this is your in. So this,
Yeah.
this is where we're taking this and we're actually putting this one into the river.
This guy here.
All right. Yep. So this is going into the river.
Okay, you're all ready to go.
Great.
And again, it's still got to prime it.
Okay.
That kind of stuff.
All right. So we're priming right up in the top there.
Yeah, right here, and it's got gas in it. Fire
Okay.
up.
So then, as far as actually taking the connection from here, then, and going into what
Yeah, this-
part? The
The hose.
hose.
this
Well,
is
the hose,
Yeah.
and that's going.
So this hose here.
All right. So you're utilizing this hose right here.
Okay, like
Perfect. Got it. So you're screwing it on there.
And this, we just ran this, this was at Bergdorf while they
Got
were
it.
fighting, and Jim used it to pump water up around their residence.
Got it.
And it ran fine. So.
So you're using the bungees to actually
Yeah,
just
yes,
kind of
yes,
cinch it
just
back
keep
together.
'Cause they'll rattle off.
Got it.
Okay. In here first.
So where's that going?
This is going into this.
Ah. Okay.
Okay. That should probably stay there. Anyway, so that's that.
Okay.
And this pump here, same kind of thing. It's kind of hard to see it around here because normally, obviously, you're away from the wall, but it starts the same.
All right.
And it's going to start pumping water.
And so you're going to prime it yet again.
No, this
This one?
is already primed because the water is in here, and so.
Oh, I see.
See, it's so it's already primed. So what we're going to do is we're going to fire this pump up. We can close if you want to use a little hose. You open this guy up and run just a small hose. If you want to use a big hose, you close this off. The water comes down here. You connect your hoses to here, to these,
Okay.
either one of these.
Oh, I see. So this is coming out this direction. So the water's coming out from here, up through here, in here, and then if this is closed,
Yeah.
then the water's going to come back out through here and then out one of these two.
Yeah, and you just hook a hose to these guys.
Okay.
Okay.
Got it.
All right. Okay.
All right. Perfect.
Now, if you have a group coming and you want to, water the road, you just simply open this guy up here, and you're going to get a lot of water.
Oh, got it.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Now I see the PVC tube with
Yeah.
all the holes in it.
And it's called
Great.
Okay.
All right. So let's take a look on the inside
Okay.
then.